Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce website hosting costs with Bluehost step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Bluehost website. Look for the hosting section on the homepage. Click on web hosting to explore the available plans. Review the pricing options for shared, VPS, and dedicated hosting. Select the plan that best fits your needs and budget. If you anticipate high traffic, consider a VPS or dedicated plan for better performance. Next, check for any ongoing promotions or discounts. Apply any applicable coupons to reduce the initial costs. Once you select a plan, click on Select. You will be prompted to choose a domain name. If you already own a domain, opt for the I already have a domain option. If you need a new domain, enter your desired name and check its availability. Proceed to fill in your account information, including your email and password. Scroll down to the package information section. Consider unchecking any add-ons that you do not require. This will help keep your overall costs lower. Review the payment information. Ensure you select a billing cycle that suits your financial preferences. Longer billing cycles often provide better savings. Finally, confirm your order and complete the payment process. Once your account is set up, log in to your Bluehost dashboard. From the dashboard, access the settings to optimize your hosting plan. Utilize any available tools provided by Bluehost to enhance your website's performance. Regularly assess your hosting needs as your website grows. Consider downgrading your plan if you find you're not using all available resources. Stay informed about Bluehost's updates and promotions for potential savings. By carefully selecting your plan and adjusting as needed, you can effectively reduce your website hosting costs with Bluehost. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.